And now, your Precision 18 forecast. News 18. Weather from where you live.
Well, temperatures right now a little bit more comfortable than what we were sitting at yesterday morning. 22 degrees currently. That's up from the 9 degrees yesterday morning. We're headed towards the low 30s later in the day today. 30 degrees will be your high temperature for Lafayette, 31 Attica, 31 in Frankfort as well. We're also dealing with some light cloud cover as of now, but the main story continues to be the low pressure system that's making its way across the Great Plains. Notice all of the snow expected to drop as much as a foot to a foot and a half of snowfall across some parts of the Great Plains throughout the next 24 hours. And folks, this thing is headed right towards us. We are looking at winter weather advisories for the majority of our viewing area, with the exception of Cass, White, Miami, Fulton, and Pulaski counties. Everyone else under a winter weather advisory until tomorrow afternoon, and I would not be surprised to see those counties that I mentioned added to the list of winter weather advisories. Check out the Great Plains, all the bright pink on your screen. Those are winter storm warnings, and we even have ice storm warning off to the south in northern Arkansas. This is how strong this storm will be. Once again, dropping nearly a foot of snow across parts of the Great Plains. Notice the divide in rain and snow, though, headed right towards us, and that is what's going to be causing the problems for tomorrow morning's commute. We are expected to catch as much as 1 to 3 inches of snowfall before tomorrow morning. So 1 inch for the southern half of the viewing area, Lafayette, right on the line between 1 to 2 inches. As we get further to the north, about 3 inches of snowfall expected for the northern parts of our viewing area. Now, as tomorrow rolls around, temperatures will actually gradually be on the rise. We'll dip down to 27 degrees tonight, warming up to near freezing by tomorrow morning, and that will begin to change that snowfall into a wintry mix or freezing rain. That's what's going to cause your problems for tomorrow morning's commute. We're expecting an additional 1/10 of an inch of accumulation of ice on top of the snow that we would have already received for tomorrow. So we're looking at a very slick Friday morning commute, something you need to know before heading out the door tomorrow morning. That low continues to drag further to the northeast. We could see some rain showers tomorrow morning into the early afternoon. Then we dry out and warm all the way up to 38 degrees. We are looking at that chance of rain and ice during the morning hours. We dip back down to 34 on Saturday before hitting 39 on Sunday. Monday, we're all the way up to 45 degrees and then another passing low pressure system. This one brings a chance of rain and some cooler temperatures towards our midweek, though. At least we're not dipping back down to the 20s. 36 your high temperature on Tuesday. Wednesday looking to be a high temperature of 37 degrees.
It sounds like the temperature will be the thing to watch, I guess, through tomorrow morning, depending on how much the ice and snow mix happens, right?
Yeah, exactly. And right now the timing looks to be the snow falling, or at least beginning to fall right around 7 to 8 p.m. this evening, continuing during the overnight hours. The snow will begin to come to an end by 6 to 7 tomorrow morning, right around sunrise. That's when that freezing rain and wintry mix will pop up. That should begin to end by 9 to 10 a.m. tomorrow morning.
So right in the middle of the rush hour?
Yes.
Okay, thanks, Cameron.